everyone, Letty here. I have the Not Too Shabby Shop Fall Virtual Retreat information that I want to share with you one more time. And then I also have my retreat bundle. I'm going to do an unboxing and I'll give you the early bird reminders. Welcome back, everyone. So I have the Enjoy This Life bundle. This is for the Not Too Shabby Retreat that's going to be later this fall. I want to do an unboxing, but first, I want to talk about the virtual retreat that's happening at Not Too Shabby. So this is a free retreat that's going to happen on September 14th and 15th. So it's later this fall. There will be 8 total instructors on this 2-day event. I am going to be one of the instructors on day 2, so which is Sunday the 15th. What I love about this is it's Saturday and Sunday, so lots of people will be able to join us. I'm going to be teaching a gift card holder class. That'll be what I'll be teaching on Sunday. There are going to be lots of giveaways. There's a $150 mega prize bundle Jamie has put together, and then there's also going to be some live winners that are picked for $15 gift vouchers. The instructors will pre-record the videos, but we will be live in the chat with you on the day of the release. And then there's also going to be some additional prizes if you make some items from this event and you share it. So one thing I will mention is there's an early bird special, and it runs until the end of this month, May 31st. And so if you register, you can get a discount code for 15% off and get a free paper pad with your bundle if you purchase it. So the event is free, but there is an additional bundle that you can purchase, and I do have links that I'll link down in the description box below. Make sure you register first and then sign up for your bundle if you're interested. Okay, so let's get back into the unboxing. I have the Enjoy This Life bundle. This is the retreat bundle from Not Too Shabby. You will not be able to get these items yet. You're going to pre-order this. It's going to come with a paper pad called Fall Life, and it's 12 designs, 6x6 double-sided paper. There is a little bit of a shine to it. I know people have asked me that before. It does have a little bit of a shine, so it's not a true matte. It has a little bit of a shine to it, but it's really gorgeous paper and it's really thick. And so then we also have a coordinating ephemera pack, and this one's called Enjoy This Life, and this will coordinate beautifully with the paper pad. Here's a still shot of all of the ephemera pieces that come in this ephemera pack. Look at all the really cute girls and then all the little fun critters. Really, really cute. Then we have a stamp and die set, and so this one is called Fall Life. Look at these gorgeous images. So this is a 6x6 stamp set. You've got lots of really fun fall images, but some of these images you could use year round. There's some really great sentiments that come in this stamp set as well. And again, it's called Fall Life. And again, it's a 6x6 stamp set, so really large. Then you have a coordinating die set. So this is the one that will coordinate and cut out all of your images that come out in this stamp set. So that's going to be awesome. And then we also have a stencil that comes with this bundle. So this one is a plaid stencil. It's called Perfectly Plaid. Look at this. It's just great. So you can do some great backgrounds and things with this stencil as well. Again, this is also 6x6 in size. And then we have a standalone die. Now, Not Too Shabby has been starting to do these. This one's called Enjoy This Life. What's great about this is this was created or designed by LV Handcrafted, which is Lynn. She's one of the design team members, and she is going to be also an instructor at this event. So enjoy this life. It's 2 dies. You have your shadow and your words. Then we have some enamel dots, and these are glitter enamel dots. So they've got some glitter right in them. This is called Sweet Fall Life. Really gorgeous colors that are going to work perfectly with this kit. So again, this is called Enjoy This Life. This is the Not Too Shabby Retreat bundle. Now here's the thing. If you purchase this bundle by the end of this month, which is May 31st, you'll get this Fall Life Plaids paper pad. It's a 6x6 paper pad for absolutely free with your bundle. So you purchase the bundle and you'll get this one for free. Now remember, if you want to register first, because you'll be able to get a discount code for 15% off to use to purchase your bundle, again, only until May 31st. So this is the early bird special. You buy the bundle, you'll get the free paper pad. And again, if you register before May 31st, you'll also get that 15% discount code. I'll link both the registration and the bundle links down in the description box below. They're both going to be affiliate links, so I'll get a small commission at no extra cost to you. So thanks so much for that. But again, make sure you register May 31st. You really want to at least register for this. And then again, if you're interested in the bundle, don't wait. You'll want to get it so you can get that extra paper pad and also save 15% on that bundle. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're excited for this upcoming fall retreat. It's going to be amazing. There's so many amazing instructors. I personally cannot wait to have this event. I'm super, super excited. As always, happy crafting.